Hello everyone, welcome to Small Motor Car. Today we have got the Chevy El Camino. It's from Fast and Furious, and the casting is by Hot Wheels. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the El Camino out of its box, and to be precise, it's a 1967 El Camino, finished in matte black. Looks really good. Nice wheels on it. Let's start from the front. Up front, you can see the headlamps, but they are not detailed. Chrome bumper, grill in there. You can see the hood is slightly raised, so suggesting it's got a bigger engine. Coming to the driver's side, again good details here. You got the dual door handle. Wheels, as we talked, looks nice. Fuel filler cap, El Camino badge. So nice details. Coming to the back, good details here too. You got the detailed tail lamp, and you've got the badge here. This I think is custom for the Fast and Furious movies only. Normal Camino didn't have something like this in the bed, if I'm not wrong. To the passenger side, looks almost identical, minus the fuel filler cap. This is how it looks from the bottom. And the interior seems to be finished in grey. Seats look custom. They don't look like the standard seat you get on the El Camino. Standard was bench. These are like two seats there. So overall, it looks like a nice casting. It has got some good details. I like the wheels, like the detailed tail lamp and badges all around. Oh, I forgot to mention the door handle, detailed door handle in the back too. I like the matte black color too. So it has tried to mimic or to replicate, because it's a diecast, obviously a replica of the car from the movie, and I think it did a good job. So should you get one? If you're a Fast and Furious or if you're an El Camino fan, definitely it is a good looking casting. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.